Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and if it's your first time here we talk about subjects related to makeup, but we also talk about subjects related to agoraphobia. And if you are into either of those subjects, or if perchance you are interested in both of those subjects, then I recommend you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to let you know every time that I upload a video, because today, better late than never, I finally got my Ipsy bag stuff in and some other stuff that I ordered, and we are going to go through that. I don't know what took them forever, but it just did. And I know it's May, but we're gonna go through the April stuff anyway. So if you are into that, then keep watching because we are getting right into it. Okay, so this is the Ipsy bag here, and I am going to rip into it. So this is a blind unbagging. Okay, this is not the bag that I expected to get. I did order this, the Core's Foaming Cream Cleanser, because I needed a backup of it. And in here is a Hey Honey a Hey Honey Trio lip treatment lip balm. Let me see in the box let me see in the bag if there's anything. Okay. This isn't my bag, I don't think. Because this is the other thing that I ordered. Where's the Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus Blush Palette. And let me open it right up for you. I don't know why they sent it in a silver bag, though. These are like the two add-on products that I ordered. And these are the 4 blushes. Oh, they feel very silky. That I ordered. Those are the blushes there. And then it came with some lip treatment that I don't know anything about. And this very silvery bag. So there again is the shadows, the eyeshadows. Now I can't open this. Oh, Stardust. Oh gosh, it's got one of those tiny, tiny things on it. Oh, it's got a very loud smell. A loud smell, Jennifer. Yeah, that's right. Like cherry. No, more like some other type of fruit that I can't pin down. But those were actually my add-ons. Now, this is the big box. And let's see what's in there. Okay, I've got a big bag. I think these are the free refreshments that they sent me for this month. Yeah, they sent me the Velvety Body Cream in Citrus Spritz. Tell me I have to open it. Okay, I have to open it. I'm not good at opening these little tabs. Okay, I got it open. I'm just going to take a little bit out and smooth it on my hand right here and smell it. What does it say? Citrus Spritz? Yeah, I can see that. It's kind of citrusy. And the other thing is a pearly body wash in citrus scent. And that just got all over my outfit. I'm on the struggle bus this morning. So those are my refreshments, and it came in this little bag here with some stickers. And more information on that. And okay, here is, no, that doesn't tell me anything. Here is my bag for the month. And outside of the bag is a brush. And it is a big shader brush, it looks like. And it's by BEAU GACHIS. I can't really read it that well. But this is one of my items. Okay, there is a card in here. Force of Nature. And it says, yeah, large fader brush. This brush is a true multitasker. Use it with all your favorite cream and powder formulas. The ultra soft yet densely packed synthetic bristles make sweeping eyeshadow on your lids and applying highlighter to your brow bones and cheekbones so easy. Tip: once a week, clean your brush with a mild shampoo and lay it flat to dry. Well, duh. So we've got that. And next here, you can see we've got the GOLDFADEN MD Hands to Heart Anti-Aging Brightening Hand Treatment. Finally, a multitasking cream that makes dry, dull hands a distant memory. This potent formula soaks in fast. That means no stickiness or greasiness, and treats hands to a dose of hydrating hyaluronic acid and skin brightening retinol and niacinamide. Tip: repair dry hands while you sleep and slather on this lightweight cream before bed. Okay. Okay, it's got a seal. I'm just going to believe what it says. Next in the bag is this thing called Lip Foods. Lip Food. Protect. See? Oops. Lip Food. Lip Food. Protect Lip Balm in Vanilla Lavender. Made with a blend of organic plant-based ingredients like golden jojoba oil, cocoa butter, and coconut oil, this nourishing lip balm heals dry, chapped lips in just a few swipes. Plus, it's infused with pumpkin seed extract to protect your delicate lips from free radical damage. Tip: apply to dry, damaged lips whenever they're in need of moisture. Okay. Let's open her up. I'm not going to put it on my lips because I've got a lot of lipstick on. But let's try it. Oh, that feels very moisturizing on my hand. Okay, next in the bag looks like a tiny eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I'm just cleaning my hand off for this. It's the ORYZA Golden Hour Shimmer Eyeshadow. Consider this magic hour in a palette. These 4 ultra buildable shadows blend on like a dream, thanks to soft clay and rich mineral pigments, and the mix of warm shimmery tones like burnt orange and champagne rose are perfect for all your spring to summer makeup looks. Tip: apply alone or mix and match them to create your custom glowy eye look. Okay, let's take a look at it. Okay, looks like there's 1 matte shade and 3 shimmer shades here. And those are the shades right there. Looks more like a fall palette to me, but that could just be me. And the last thing in here is, great, it's packaged up too, is a mascara mini from Pure Fully Charged Mascara Mini. Time to brush up on your chemistry. This mascara is created with magnetic polymer matrix, so when the formula hits each lash, it coats it with positively charged electric veil. That veil, it dramatically lifts and separates your lashes for instant definition. Tip: hold the wand horizontally and coat each lash from root to tip. Do we really not know how to put on mascara? Okay, so in my bag, I got the Pure Mascara, the Lip Food, lip moisturizer, the large shader brush, the anti-aging hand cream, and the ORYZA eyeshadow palette. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in my little bag here. So that is for April 20 2021. Okay. And I got some refreshment stuff and my add-on stuff as well. So, okay. If you want to sign up for Ipsy, I will put the link down below. I get the Glam Bag, and I get the Glam Bag X. So next month, or this month, I'll be getting the Glam Bag X, and I'll be opening that up. Hopefully, I'll be getting it before the end of the month. And that is it. Okay, give this a like if you like this, and follow me down below on my socials at Into My Garden Tea, and on Twitter and on Instagram. And yeah, I just hope you are having a great day today, and that you are having a great weekend. And if you are not, I hope that it changes for you, and that, remember, tomorrow is always another day. And yeah, I hope you have a great week this week too. And parting is such sweet sorrow, but I've got to move on, and I will bid you adieu, and I hope to see you in my next video. So, stay safe, stay happy, and stay well. We'll just say that. Okay. Stay well until my next video, and I will see you then. Okay. Goodbye.